Hi everybody, I'm Noelle Randall, and on today's show we're going to be talking about wholesaling, and I'm going to be giving you the secret on how to make $5,000 in 30 days. Wholesaling. I'm going to tell you exactly how, step by step. That's what we're going to do. You're going to want to share this video with everybody because I'm teaching you how to make $5,000 in 30 days. Let's go. Hi, this is Noelle Randall.
More great news for real estate investors.
How would you like to be a boss? I'm going to show you how. Buy houses using a credit card. So let's talk about wholesaling now. Welcome back. I'm Noelle Randall, real estate entrepreneur, mentor, and mom of 5. And on today's show, I'm going to be talking to you about how to make $5,000 in less than 30 days, wholesaling real estate step by step. So let's get to it. So there's basically 4 to 5 steps that you're going to want to follow, and I'm going to outline all of them for you. Again, this is super great information. People are not giving this out for free, so I want to make sure that you're listening and you're following step by step. So this is the easiest way to do it. So first, you want to find buyers and match them to investors, okay? So let's first tell you, again, quick reminder as to what wholesaling is. Remember, wholesaling is finding an off-market property, someone with a property problem, behind on their payments, someone died, something happened, they cannot afford the house anymore, and they need to sell it. You offer to buy it, get it under contract, and then you flip that contract to a real estate investor for a fee. You assign the contract for a fee and you make money. That's wholesaling, okay? So step 1, easy way to get $5,000 in less than 30 days is to find buyers and match them to investors, okay? So people want to buy and flip houses, and there's lots of people that want to do that. So instead of actually going out and saying I have properties and I'm a wholesaler and all of this stuff and advertising yourself as such, you want to advertise yourself as just having property. So you start to find investors that want to fix and flip properties, build a list, and that's your first step, okay? So easy, not hard to do. Market, find people, hey, who's looking to fix and flip properties, who is interested in being a real estate investor, market to those people, and then there you go. Second step, okay, is you want to market to people with property problems, okay? So first, this is the key to it. You're just finding buyers and you're matching them to investors. And so I'm going to give you the second step because this is super easy. You want to market to people with property problems. Again, these are people that have done evictions, like landlords. They had to do an eviction and they're tired of those properties. Someone going through a divorce and they can't afford the house by themselves anymore. They're going through bankruptcy. They're going through probate, code violations. All of these different things are available and right in the court system, okay? And you can just market to these people with property problems. Super easy, okay? And again, I'm giving you this quick information, but if you want to talk to me more, you can schedule a call below and see if you qualify and we can talk, okay? And I can maybe answer your question if I'm not answering it here. But again, I'm trying to give it all to you in this video. All right, so the next thing, once you do that, you've marketed to people, you have some property problems, they're calling you. All right, now you're getting them under contract. Get the contract, okay? Say you're going to buy their property, make the offer, get the contract, okay? You have an out, though. So if you can't find a buyer, you'll be able to cancel the contract, okay? That's how you write the contract. Then you assign it, okay? And you actually can assign it to me, my group. I have over 100 investors active, okay? Active investors that I'm personally working with. However, the Women in Wealth Network has over 2,000 members, okay? So I'm connected to so many investors all across the country. We're looking for wholesale deals. We're willing to pay your wholesale fee, okay? This is not a commercial. I'm teaching you, and there's lots of investors like me, but I'm actually telling you, and I'm going to give you a quick way. You can just send those deals to deals@noellerandall.com. Just that simple. You give us a deal, you put your $5,000 fee into the price, and we are buying deals. Me, my group. So that's a very quick way. Now, again, there's lots of other investors. This is not a plug just to send all your deals to Noelle, but please know that I'm offering that to you guys. I want your deals. I have so many investors. I have so many students, so many clients. Again, we can talk on the phone. I can't talk to everyone, though. I get over 100 applications a week. However, I am talking to people and mentoring and helping people that are serious and want to make this their business. So deals@noellerandall.com is where you can send your deals, and you can literally make $5,000 in less than 30 days wholesaling property to others or to us. I'm making it just that simple for you guys, okay? And so I'm going to also put below, because again, I want to help you, I'm going to actually put a contract below, a link to one, a free one, and a link to an assignment of contract. I want to give you everything that you need to send me deals, okay, in my investor group deals, because there's so many deals out there, and we are looking through all of them, and you guys are bringing us great deals. So as I teach people how to find deals, you guys bring me deals, and I pay you. So it's so win-win, okay? This is a quick way. $5,000 in less than 30 days. I've told you what to do. Market to people with property problems, get the contract, then assign the contract to us, okay? And so you're just matching buyers to investors. That's another thing. So wholesalers have inventory. You can start to get on their list, and then you can just send those properties out. And I have some videos, and I'll put some links, and that's co-wholesaling, okay? So I'm teaching you so many ways to make $5,000 in less than 30 days. That's why I said this is a video you are going to want to share with your friends. So take a moment right now to like this video, comment below if you're going to send deals, what type of deals. If you have any questions, you can send those questions to deals@noellerandall, but we want you to send properties with the addresses, okay? And we'll talk you through the process. So all you have to do is email your property, and someone will reply to you with all of what we need, okay? So again, like this video, comment below. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you guys great content like this. And remember to share these videos. My channel is growing up, and I know it's blowing up, and I know it's so much thanks to you guys, all right? I really appreciate you. Remember, if you want more free training, noelsfreetraining.com. That link is below. That's like an hour and a half worth of training that I'm giving away. If you want to talk to me, you can qualify below and fill out a quick application. Take you like 2 seconds. You can send me deals at deals@noellerandall.com. So I'm teaching you how to wholesale. Noel is giving it to you, the truth, and putting money in your pocket. That's what we're trying to do. Please, if you have questions below, someone on my team or myself will respond to them. I love your comments. That's it for this episode. I'll see you guys next time.